holidays coming up, and everybody likes to make casserole dishes, and they're special foods and basically everything anyone could dream of. And so I'm going to make something that I made this past Thanksgiving, just the other day. I think it's very fitting for 2020 because 2020 has been not what anyone expected it to be. And so this dish is called pineapple casserole. And it has pineapple chunks, cheddar cheese, Ritz cracker topping with melted butter, and believe it or not, I know that sounds like it does not work. It works, and it's delicious. I made it for Thanksgiving. Everybody kind of said, well, this is weird. But I will tell you, it was the first dish completely emptied. The casserole was gone. Some people went back for seconds, some went back for thirds, and then there was no more. And I didn't make a huge dish because I really didn't know how it would go. I honestly didn't know how it would taste because I hadn't tasted it before. But I made it. And so I'm going to make it here for y'all, and y'all can see, number one, it's really simple. You can throw it together in just a few minutes. And so let's get started here, and y'all can be the judge. Ingredients right here. 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cans of pineapple chunks, reserve the juice, 6 tablespoons of flour. There is the 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. You can use any kind of buttery type crackers. I used Ritz. That's 1 sleeve, all crunched up in a Ziploc baggie. And there's my 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter. There is my 2-quart casserole dish already sprayed. This is my bowl for the pineapple juice. And this is the bowl to mix everything up in. So here we go. Remember, I said to reserve the juice. just stir it up really good. Get it all mixed in there. And I know you're saying there is no possible way this is edible. Oh, but I promise you it is. Okay, got that stirred up real good. I'm gonna move that over here. Bring up my butter and my crackers. Put that in there. Just stir it up real good. I'm going to move that into my sink before I end up with pineapple juice all over the place. Move that out of the way. My sprayed 2-quart casserole dish. Just give that a little stir, just make me feel better. And then just pour it right in there. And honestly, I think this is a southern dish, certain parts of the South maybe. Because I had never heard of it, even though I'm from the South and my dad's from the South. But other people I talked to who are from certain parts of Georgia eat this. But then Texas, so someone from Texas had never heard of it. Another friend of mine from Alabama had never heard of it. Let me make sure I'm just assembling. Sprinkle with cheese on top. Yeah, and this is the gross part, right? Understand. But I promise, it really does work. There's a big clump of cheese in this bag. So 2 cups of shredded cheese, sharp cheese, right there. And then sprinkle this right on top of the cheese. I'm just going to spread it around the back of my spoon. There you go. It honestly does not get much easier than that. I'm going to set my oven for 350 degrees. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Let's get it out. Ooh, I hear it sizzling. And there it is, the finished product. I'm gonna let it cool down for just a little bit, and then I'll scoop some out and let you take a look at it. And there it is, pineapple casserole. Give it a try. If you make it and you try it, leave it down in the comments what you think of it. I promise, really, it's really good. I really promise. I don't make junk. So there you go. Y'all have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you did. Thank you, and y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.